let's look at regular polyhedra. Regular polyhedron, convex polyhedron, occurs if the segment connecting any two dots in the interior of the polyhedron is itself in the interior. So, meaning that we don't have a concave. It's not going to cave in sideward, okay? A regular polyhedron is a convex. Remember that a regular polygon is a convex item. It doesn't cave inside. So a regular polyhedron is a convex polyhedron whose faces are congruent regular polygon regions such that the number of edges that meet at each vertex is the same for all vertices. So that means that we have the same number that edges at each vertex. So if we look at this, let's see. So if I think about this, I have 1, 2, 3 here. I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this would be considered a regular polyhedron because I've got 3 meeting at each different edge. Okay. Now, let's look at this tetrahedron here. We want to name the vertices. Well, the vertices are going to be these points right here. All of these are vertices. So we have the points A, B, C, and D. All of those are vertices. The edges are basically the lines. So here's one edge, here's an edge, here's an edge, here's an edge, here's an edge, and here's an edge. And then the faces are, well, here's a face over here. We have the face at the bottom. We have a face at the back that's A, B, and C. And then we have a face at the front. So we have 3 faces around, and then we have the base. Let's see here. So this is what we were looking at, okay? So each one of these points would be a vertex. Each one of these different colored areas would be considered a face. So notice that even though maybe we only see these faces right here, there's a face behind, and so you have to be a little bit careful there. Okay? That is one thing that you do have to pay attention to. Now, a net is a pattern used to construct a polyhedron. Basically, it's unfolding the structure. So this right here is a net, and so is this, because if I fold along this would be my base, and I fold these triangles up to a point, I would actually get this figure right here, because I'm going to unfold this, and notice I have the same thing here. we have this. So the middle part is your base. So like this right here would be my base. These two sides would fold up, and then this would fold up and over. So this would be kind of like a cube here. And I'm going to get rid of those right there. And I'm going to come here and I'm going to unfold this. And that is the net of this particular shape. So when you think about a net, think about starting with your base and then unfolding the sides, okay? And that's what you're looking at.